For the repair of the Korval E&P-01 controller, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we added 120 volt AC power supply, a potentiometer and a multimeter to measure the milliamp output. As we near the set point by manipulating the input signal with a potentiometer, the milliamp output can be seen on the multimeter screen, and it's 4 milliamps. As we get further away from the set point, the milliamp output is 20 milliamp. It is now clear that the controller is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.